Certainly, Guido van Rossum, known as the creator of Python, has been influential in shaping the language and its future. As of October 2023, he continues to play a role in guiding Python's development, particularly with the adoption of new features, enhancements, and overall direction of the Python community. Future of Python 1. Simplicity and readability. Python has always emphasized code readability and simplicity. Future developments will likely continue this trend, making it easier for newcomers to learn and for experienced developers to maintain code. Performance improvements. There's an ongoing effort to improve Python's performance, particularly with the introduction of projects like pypy compiler for Python and efforts to optimize Python, the standard Python implementation. Type hints and static typing. With the introduction of type hints PEP 484, Python is moving towards a more robust type system. Future versions may further enhance this with additional type checking capabilities, making Python more suitable for large-scale applications. Concurrency and parallelism. As multi-core processors become standard, Python continues to evolve in terms of handling concurrent and parallel programming with the Essentio library and other concurrency paradigms. Data science and machine learning. Python's role in data science and machine learning will continue to grow, with further optimizations and libraries being developed to improve efficiency and ease of use. Community and governance. The Python community is strong and diverse, with PEP's Python enhancement proposals being a key part of the governance structure. Guido's influence will likely continue to ensure that the language evolves in a way that meets the community's needs. Example using type hints and Essentio. Let's look at a simple example that demonstrates type hints and asynchronous programming in Python. We will create a small program that fetches data from a URL asynchronously. Code example: Python import Essentio import AOC from typing import list async to fetch or structure fetch content from our URL asynchronously. The fetch all function specifies that it takes a list of strings and returns a list of strings. Asynchronous programming. The async def syntax defines asynchronous functions. The await keyword is used to pause execution until the awaited task, like a network request, completes. It's efficient for I/O-bound tasks like fetching data from the web. Event loop. The Essentio run function is used to run the main asynchronous function, allowing for concurrent execution of the fetch tasks. Conclusion. Guido van Rossum's vision for Python emphasizes making the language more powerful while preserving its core principles of simplicity and readability. As Python continues to evolve, features like type hints, improved concurrency handling, and performance enhancements will play a significant role in the future of the language. Embracing these features can help developers write more efficient, maintainable, and scalable code.